This is the Tresamax, which is our 3-chamber side-ported muzzle brake design for sporting rifles with barrels of 13 to 22mm muzzle diameter. It is a copyrighted, registered design, and there is currently a patent pending. Main features of this brake are its unique side-ported design, where the port sizes are graduated to achieve the maximum amount of recoil energy reduction possible for its given size. The ports actually angle back slightly, and this causes the exiting propellant gases to pull the rifle forward, further helping to counteract recoil forces. The thread recess also has an internal collar or shoulder, and the thread is relieved for a slight clearance back from that collar, so that the brake can be seated to pull up tight on the shoulder of the barrel in the conventional manner, or on the muzzle or nose of the barrel, or a combination of both surfaces evenly. The brake starts out as a blank, which is machined from stainless steel bar stock on a lathe in one setup, polished, and also the threads are single point cut to ensure correct concentricity and alignment. The brake is then transferred to a CNC machining centre where the ports are machined to full depth, including an undercut on the lower section. Then the edges of the porting slots are nicely chamfered all the way around for a professional finish. An index mark is also machined on the underside of the brake at the 6 o'clock position, and this aids in the correct fitting and alignment of the brake for the gunsmith, and by using a reference point on the rifle's action to level from, precise alignment is possible with no guesswork. The main advantages of this brake are its massive recoil reduction capabilities for its given size, often surpassing those of much larger or other conventional muzzle brake designs. The results and comparisons as shown in our muzzle brake testing videos number 4 and number 5 demonstrate this conclusively. The port design on the Tresamax brake vents the propellant gases to the sides and upwards slightly, along with a slight rearward draft. This helps to keep the muzzle of the rifle down, maintaining target view throughout the shot. It's usually necessary to Loctite the brake on at the threads with these side-ported style brakes. The provision of the internal shoulder means that the very largest thread size for a given muzzle diameter can be used on button rifle barrels, which will help to prevent the bore from enlarging under the thread section. This helps to maintain and enhance the accuracy potential of the rifle, as does the slight added weight at the muzzle from the brake itself. The solid unported section on the underside of the brake means that no gases are vented downwards. This helps to avoid or minimise ground dust and debris disturbance as best possible. Added to the above features, as you can see, the Tresamax is a high quality machine product which is the result of exhaustive testing, numerous prototypes and refinements. Designed and manufactured exclusively in New Zealand. Due to the amount of machining time involved, they are not a cheap product, but if you want the best quality and performance, then you definitely get what you pay for.